The history has been full of mathematicians who have given us beautiful expression of mathematics or their share of intelligence, and it is awe-inspiring and amazing. And sometimes I wish there was more of that in today's world. Perhaps there is, but not within the arm's reach of the common people. Let's talk about Fermat. Fermat was a beautiful judge. He used to give judgments, and in his spare time he used to write about mathematics. He was passionate about mathematics. So there is one such incident on a book which he used to read. On the margins of the book he used to scribble some equations, and below that he will write that he knows there is a proof for it, for this equation, for it to be true, but he didn't have time, or he was busy, or something else. And he gave us a lot of equations in the book. When he died, the book was eventually discovered because of his family members, and initially the mathematics community were like, maybe not, let's try it. Someone tried one equation of Fermat's, and it took some time, but it was proven. Then second, then third, and it kept on going till all the problems of equations of Fermat's were proven. That means he was right of all the equations. He didn't have the proof, and such things are called conjectures in mathematics. And if a great scientist or a mathematician gives an equation and they have a brief idea why it is true, but they can't prove it yet, it can be called a conjecture. And there are many such conjectures in mathematics which can be proven, which are yet to be proven. But there was this Fermat's last theorem. Very simple: a raised to n plus b raised to n is equal to c raised to n. And the solution for the natural numbers of these equations for n is only 1 and 2. No higher power satisfies this equation. And initially 1 year passed, 2 years, a decade, okay, century, and more than a century after, in 1990s and between 2000s, the Fermat's last theorem was eventually proven. But there's a catch. The solution is long, solution is big, the Fermat's last theorem is proven. But the point is, the method by which it is proven is involves things which were not there when Fermat wrote the equation. So how did he come up with the equation? Did he already know all the different things which would be needed for the equation to be proven? Or perhaps there is a much simpler method, for some alternate method by which this expression can be proven. We don't know. Maybe the next genius will try to prove and come up with the solution to Fermat's last theorem the way he intended. Okay, see you next time.